Hey everyone, I'm Dino, and welcome to my world, the world of technology. Today I'm going to talk about how to change the default application for a file type. A lot of times in Windows, you load different programs, and multiple programs will open the same type of files. And so what happens is sometimes the program that you would rather open by default a particular type of file gets kind of pushed out aside by some other program you loaded. And you may want to change that particular file type to another application or back to the original application or whatever. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we have a text document right here, and it's a Word document. So if we double click on this, it's going to open up in Word. And we'll do that by default. Now you can always go within an application and open up any file that you want. But if you're just like double clicking on a file, this makes it quicker and easier. It will pick the file that you would want. Now I'm going to right click on this file and I'm going to go to Properties. And right here at the top it says Type of File, and it's a .docx, which is the default Word extension. And it says it opens it with Word 2016. So I'm going to click this Change button here. And I'm going to select this program right here, which is an open software version of, or an open source version of Word, which is called OpenOffice. And they're kind of compatible, or they're basically compatible. There are probably some things that OpenOffice doesn't handle well with Word, and some things that it just does, some features that it doesn't do. But basically, they're both word processing programs. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go OK to tell it to open by default. I'm going to go Apply, and I'm going to go OK. And you can see here it changed the icon. And this is the OpenOffice word processor icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this. And it's going to open it up with OpenOffice Writer, which is the word processing program for OpenOffice. So we've actually changed what the default program is. So now, whenever we get Word documents, it will automatically open in that. Well, so let's say we decide, no, really, I want Microsoft Word to open that. I can right-click on it again, and I can go to Properties, and I can go back to Change. And you see Word 2016 is one of the selections down here. You might have to click on more apps depending on what you're looking for. You can also look for it in the App Store if you're looking for a particular app that you don't have. But typically in this case, since we're just trying to change the default program, we're probably changing it back to something that it already recognizes. So we'll probably be in the top of the list here. So I'm going to click on Word 2016, and I'm going to click OK. And so it has Word 2016 there. I'm going to hit Apply, and I'm going to click OK. And you see it's back to the Word icon right here. So if I double click on this once again, it opens up in Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can see that it has the Word icon back again. And if we double click on this again, it opens up in Microsoft Word again now. So that's how you change the default application that opens a particular file type in Windows 10. I'm Dino, and thank you for joining me in my world, and I will see you next time.